Okay, class 2, day 19, video 3, page 16. We have some words here: door, cottage, forest, dwarfs, hunters, bowls, chairs, beds, sizes, and queen. Look, little Snow White wandered about in the dash the whole day in the forest. What is this? This is a forest. There are lots of dense tree. She was tired and hungry. She was looking for a place to rest. Just then, look at the second picture. Just then, she saw a small dash close by, a small cottage. Right, cottage in the second blank. Cottage close by. She decided to go there. Look at the third picture. When she reached the cottage, she knocked on the door, right door here. But no one answered. She knocked again, but still no one answered. Look at the fourth picture. She gave the door a little push. It opened. Snow White walked in. She saw a table laid out of 7 people. There were 7 people and 7 soup. There were 7 chairs and 7 soup bowls. Look at the last picture. She sat on a chair and drank the soup because she was very hungry. Complete this on your book and just